Welcome to the fifth and final part of how I made my Captain Fortune twin guns from League of Legends. I started by taking the template again to draw a rough sketch on the grip. Next, I wrapped the grip in cling film and put tape all around it. I drew the sketch onto the tape again before carefully removing the cling film and tape from the grip. Afterwards, I cut out the sketch, cut it in half, and then cut little slits in the rounded areas. This helps the template lay flat when I transfer it. Then I cut the sketch out on 1mm foam. Next, I drew on the inner design and cut it out as well. Afterwards, I glued the slits back together to give it its form back. At this point, it should fit onto the grip pretty well. Since it did, I glued it on. That's what it looked like in the end. Afterwards, I used Plastidip to prime it. To paint it, I used painter's tape to cover the parts that aren't supposed to be blue. Then, I airbrushed it blue with multiple coats. I actually lost the rest of the footage, but I just repeated the same thing with the gold and then sealed it. And that's how I made these guns. I hope you liked this little tutorial, and please let me know if you want to see more of these. Thank you, bye.